Today we are battling in the Great Huggy Invasion, and currently they're stealing my car. They're stealing my car, you're that imbecile. There's nobody in the cockpit. There's somebody in the cockpit. Stupid bitch. Both of them are gone. They're gonna resort to something. I swear. One of the Huggies are in the ocean! No, that is not a Huggy. Now they're gonna follow us. We gotta find our secret hideout.
Snug.
God, we're still here. They're just parking.
Wait, I'll go to that island.
Teleport. Do, 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 we're now being forced. Also credit to
I'll go to
Wolfpack
the
and all the creators of here, and credit to all people that are in the game. Thanks for playing my game. God, I think I'm gonna make your channel banned.
Why? Yeah, it's fine. I'd rather risk my account. Oh yeah,
What?
we are battling.
You're just a toy, Jackson. And now I'm disabled. That is not funny. Where are you?
I'm with Master Huggy.
I see everybody. And I'm coming towards your lake.
Go to Huggy Mobile.
We cannot, I can't. Where's the Huggy Mobile? I see the Huggy Mobile. And I am the Parabmobile.
Wait lang naman kasi.
Get a mobile! The Huggy Mobile. Don't question why it's ready. The Huggy Mobile.
Where are the Huggies?
Yeah, where are they? They're in the hideout. They're in the hideout. Follow me. I know where the hideout is. Cause this is our car.
Let's go. Alright.
No, wrong direction. We need to get in a car.
Okay, I'll get the car.
This is the car. This is my Huggy Mobile. So it's 4 minutes.
Papa.
I'm trying to concentrate and do it fast, Blue.
Mulu.
Can I edit my speed? Tripalosk. Tripalosk. Where's the Huggies? No, we're at the wrong street.
Okay, I wish.
Everyone is done. La 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 la. We're going back to the beach. I don't want that. Holy drunk. I am driving like a drunk. Help. That's lag. Shh. Shh. I don't know where it is. Just you drive it. Why does it look like I flew? Go to a tiny mountain.
On the beach that we go earlier?
No.
Nowhere.
I'm gonna drive now. I retraced my steps. 6, 9. Get out, and I need to drive.
I don't care.
Right? Yes. Yes. I'll say yes every
Yeah,
time.
this is Zepto.
Good. This is zip. Oh, Huggy Mobile!
Go!
They're following these guys. Get in the Huggy Mobile. The Huggy Mobile.
Carry me!
Help! I can't. They keep on moving. I'm trying to get you to take it. When we go to house, I'll notify you.
I'm putting up a car now. I'll put it to max. Do I go there?
Ow. Yes. And we're in a cornfield and we're intercepting. Right street and dude, there's 3 cars battling. You're the backup. Both of the cars are stuck.
Is that our secret hideout?
No, the mountain is tiny. So yeah, stop the Huggy Mobile. I need to carry you.
No, I have my backup.
We're keep on intercepting with these cars.
Wait, where's the recording?
It's still on.
Okay, good.
The Great Huggy Battle! Then it's gonna become a war later.
Wait, where?
Also, credits to World War I and World War II. Too much credits will result in copyright. My voice is bold, hard, bold, mismatched. Well,
You mean
Bisu, we're at the Brookhaven Cemetery.
why cemetery?
Cemetery.
Because
I know where we are.
okay, basically this happened. There was online daters and all the Huggy groups
And me
trying to
too.
save everyone.
Stop it. There's the kidnapping
Bro,
van.
everyone has to change.
The kidnapper van. Follow
Online
us.
daters is
Follow us. Follow us.
Online daters was supposed to be in 2019.
Help. What I see you guys. I don't know. No, that's no way.
Luke?
Now their car is on fire.
That's not how you guys spell Luke.
Oh, my face is on fire.
Their car? What do you mean their car? That's on a premium thing.
Do you mean Lamborghini?
Yeah, that's a premium thing.
A premium.
Premium people have it only.
Premium. Premium.
Yeah.
Premium.
Back up.
Yoshi! Follow us, you're getting blocked. There are 2 cars that look identical, but follow one. Do not go to the car that says Genu. My God, the Huggy are bad driving.
Yeah, I'm also bad driving.
We're going uphill. We're going on to the top hill. Yellow bus is coming. We're going to our secret. We're going to the lake now.
Why?
I don't know. Or just go. The woman screaming.
I kind of love the fact that I fell.
Fall down properly! What you got to get down the freaking in!
Bro, I hate this type of lag.
I see a blue thing. But hi, I'm Baldy. Nice to meet you. Me and the Asin, I'm gonna give you a head start. The Booksy game.
What
To
place
show my
are
name.
you now?
We're a hair and nail salon. A credit to Wolfpack, the designer and co-founder. Vibe.
Bro, he has premium. Haha, ang jowa mo umalis kasi alang pake.
Can I carry you just for a safety?
No, I have my backup car.
I'm in my van. I'm in the van. I'm in my van. I'm in the van now. You stink. You are in dater. You are an online bussin'. You are online dating. You are online dating. Yo! They think they're a fan of you. There's a tornado car. Car of tornado. You have to survive the tornado car. I crashed.
Oh, come on, I'm Loba. Pardon? I don't care. I wish they made this part. It's fine. I don't care, dang.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Yeah, I really want to go.
Car. Longer. Hey, mate. I'm British. British inappropriate. Speak right. My language appropriate. So, let me speak it.
Okay, that was a narrow escape.
You're in the car.
By the way, I'm the Timu. I'm the one from Timu beside my brother.
Okay. Oh my God, this is our hideout.
That's
And follow the Huggies
because we're gonna go.
in our hideout.
This is our hideout.
Welcome to my hideout. There's a coffin.
I guess, where is my room?
I'm gonna place a bed. Go to props.
I guess I'll just sleep in the coffin.
I guess I like this. I guess I found a couch. I hope you like this. Dito naman.
What did he say?
This is my bed.
I want that.
Sound like a deathbed.
Wait, let me add my on a house.
Books game shot my name and what name is my
Excuse Kuya.
ship. I see my campfire.
That's mine.
Why claim this spot first?
Well, I don't care first.
Hi there. Welcome to my hooker palace. Hi there. Please don't leave. I have no friends. Uh, 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 uh. Let's go camping. Let me touch you. I pressed my hideout already. Thanks. But my bed is off-centered and I look like I'm gonna go out my bed out of the window. Sorry, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Put your phone away. It's not easy to walk away.
Yeah, you know what? I'm removing all my props. I'll just go in this cozy house.
Move forward. Why?
Ano para?
Let's go out now.
I don't know why there's plenty of dead bodies here.
No, there's a plenty of people here. Let's go in our van.
I got in first.
I hope you like bees.
I'm so pleasant.
I
I'm
hope
sitting across
you
my
like
brother.
bees. No, my niece is touching your bees. I'm gonna speak Filipino now.
All my daters are here.
What pocket? Asan? I see.
Yeah, if you speak Tagalog, yeah, we're out of here. You have a bad voice.
But YouTube says I am Filipino. If I don't speak it, I'm banned. Let's go to the ocean, guys. Punta na tayo sa beach. Okay. Sige. They're back at their motel house.
It doesn't matter if they're thrown away. I'm so tired of destination for killing these people.
Where's our place? Asan tayo nagpupunta na? Oh, that dog got. You can do a mission here. I hope you like bears. Bears. Speller. Our boat car.
Bagyata.
If you hit something hard, remember I am not there. Asan na tayo? Punta.
Ako sa door.
Big. Lumabog. Okay.
I want to buy his item.
How did
he get the Robux?
What Robux?
How did he get the Robux? How did Diggy got the Robux?
This is the power plant.
He got a buff. He is so buff. Yeah, I can't believe my papa left me. Asan na tayo? Ano na?
Sounds a lot. This looks like the wrong place. Normal.
Hit something hard so you're fine.
But if it hits something hard very fast, like the dock of the ocean, over here, like that. Oh my god, that is pro skill. And I don't like these huggies walking. Woogie cuggy, the cocky and the woogie cock. Cucky wuggy cocky, cucky cucky, cocky cucky cucky cocky cucky. His name is Buddy. Huggy Buddy. He'll eat you until you die. Eat your friend Jesus. Help!
I thought this huggy was fat for a second.
Me?
No.
I see. Now, why is he doing that pose? Like that meme. Oh, not that meme.
There is. How can I believe?
Elvis Abdul Jabbar Bar. We left a member! And the member looks like Anna. Me as a baby if I took a Turley.
It's a new member, a little member.
We are growing!
Who's this tiny baby?
Who's the baby with Robux? Let's go to our hidden hideout today, guys. In Filipino. Punta na tayo sa hideout. Okay, we're here now. I have to like this. I have to like this.
Add. I can't add Cassidy.
Cassidy.
We all go to the second room.
I'm shitting like crazy. My urge for moving is crazy. Ako baho.
Add, bro, I cannot add.
There's so many new members. I thought that there were two new people.
Bro, Cassidy,
His name is Huggy. Huggy Wungy, he'll eat you till you die. You must die. Die, Huggy. Smell like chuggy. Eat shit.
did you just say a bad word on camera?
On camera.
But the coco.
Why is there fan art here?
Fan art of
Hug. Now we're going to the Marjan update. Die. Is it time? Who am I? I'm in a cottage now.
Get out my bed.
Okay. It's 3,
2.
2. One.
Alright, you asked for it.
0. I'm out.
We might have to kill you.
I don't know who's I'm in my cottage now. I got a new charger. If you want to see my world, different person. Different person.
I think I know how did he dress up
And
himself.
that's my sister in the background. Sorry for not speaking.
But without them changing, bro.
Mm. He said he's gonna pick
Or what?
something.
Just gonna turn my head too small and my head so small. No one can.
Guy, I'm in the car already and they're driving away.
Yeah, I'd rather sleep.
Okay, go to bed now.
Oh, what is that? Lechon?
Now we are trampling people.
What type of trampling?
We kidnapped somebody. We kidnapped somebody. And we're going somewhere that is our base. But we are going to the gas station. Now we're back here. We're home with a princess. I see you.
I don't fail any classes.
We kidnapped a princess.
What prince?
Pink. A princess that wants to sleep. And she's already ready with her pajamas on.
Where is she?
In the boss house or somebody over there.
That's the girl that I served. That's the girl that I served.
Twist ups.
That was the girl that I served.
I know. In the warrior. Tayo tumayo na. Let me go on. No, you are not allowed to go. We have successfully kidnapped somebody and we're not letting anything go that fast. She's dead. No, it's in the hands. Let's go, guys.
I got him. I'm now boss like others. Now I understand. They search Huggy and shirts. Now I look like Huggy from Team.
Can I see?
Look, I don't want to look ugly. No, you don't look ugly. You look very blue. That is a second in the hall.
I like the color blue, man. Even my clay is
The baby Huggy.
僕を死なて死ね I see the princess that's underwater. And I'll kidnap the princess. I
Well, that's not the princess. It's Princess.
I kidnap the princess. Princess. Some radio waves are coming out. Trana! I don't see you in the plane. Where are you?
Look at front. Look at the front.
Of the car?
Mhm.
I see you.
No one is left behind.
I say nobody left behind. I say die, everybody die. Let's go raiding.
We crashed into something.
Yellow buses. Oh, ah. We are driving down. We're going to our secret hiding spot. Where are we going? Oh, God. Oh, hi. There's a house of my school. Bree, 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 bree. Huggy raids. Let's go now, guys.
Oy, Sildren.
Hmm?
Naman gadget ni Beth.
Bye.